Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
Sir, I am fine and you?
I'm also fine.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
educated person?
Yes, sir, I am educated.
So if you don't mind, then I ask you one question.
Yes, sir, of course, you can ask.
Do you please tell me how can we improve our education system in our country?
Sir, first of all, sir, your question is very nice, and
Okay, thank
then
you.
I am very excited you giving to the question answer. Okay, so sir, first of all we need a good facility of good school buildings where good furniture. We need furniture. Okay, so we need a multimedia projects where students easily understand something. Okay, and we need a big ground where students playing together, and we need. Lab, science lab where we experiment, and we have a computers there we make other ideas, other some things. Okay, so your question is so nice, sir.
Great answer.
Thank you, sir, so
Nice
much.
to meet you.